Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you have opened your App Store to download apps and facing the issue that your Apple ID has been disabled in App Store, I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you enable your Apple ID. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings first. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back, and from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And guys, now you have to click on general and you need to check for software update, and guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after this you need to go back. So guys, after this simply you have to open your Apple ID here, and guys, now you need to click on sign in and security, and after this you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys, maybe it take long time on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, you have to wait for more seconds. As you can see here, you will find this type of interface. Click on change password, and here you need to enter your iPhone passcode that you are using for unlock. So guys, after this you can change your new password from here. Simply you have to enter your new password and verify your new password and click on change. After this your password will be changed, and guys, your problem also will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you have to click on payment and shipping, and you need to remove all the old payment method and you have to add new payment method. And if you have purchased any subscription here, you need to delete all the subscriptions from here. And after this guys, you need to open your App Store here, click on your main profile icon, click on your Apple ID here. And guys, after this here you need to enter your Apple ID password, click on sign in, and you need to wait for more seconds here. And guys, now you will see here is the option of country of origin, select it. And guys, here you can see the option of change country of origin, select here, and from here you have to select your own country and region. For example, I am going to select United States. And guys, after this you need to wait. New page will be open here. Simply you have to agree with terms and conditions of Apple Media. You will see in the next page, as you can see, you have to click on agree. And guys, after this, if you have any payment method here, you can add your payment method, credit or debit card or PayPal. And if you have not any payment method, select none option. And here must you need to enter your billing address, zip code and phone number as well, and you have to save all the information. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.